So today we're going to be just covering greetings in the singular and plural format. So hello, how are you, I'm good, and that's it. So hello, if you greet someone, irrespective of the time of the day, it's sawubona or sawubona. And you will respond, or that person will respond by yebo. And I'm sure everyone understands what yebo is. It's yes. Then the plural of sawubona, if you're greeting multiple people, will be sanibonani, which is actually more pronounced sanbonani. That is if there's more than one person. They will also respond with yebo. That doesn't change. How are you is unjani in singular and ninjani in plural. Then that is basically how are you, and you will respond, or the other person will respond by saying giyaphila in singular, and if there are many of them, even if it's just one person responding, they will say siyaphila, which means we are all well. So short recap: sawubona, yebo; unjani, giyaphila. If there are multiple people, sanibonani, yebo, ninjani, siyaphila. I'm sure that's enough to get you going. I'm going to be following this up next week. Please subscribe, and yeah, hopefully you'll have some fun.